Meet my cute friends. They are jumping. They are only 2 days old. And this is our newborn calf with his mother. Look how he is drinking his mother's milk. They are trying to eat something like their mother. After 12 months, see how big they are after 12 months. It is rainy season today. We usually keep them at home in all weathers because we have no place to farm. My father works very hard with them. Therefore they are his nourished. They are very innocent. We felt very bad when we sell them. And this is our mother cow. She is 13 years old now. And she is 12 years old. My father brought her when I was in 5th class. So they are her kids. And the calf is now grown. Now it is a lot bigger. Look, he is grazing now.